Welcome to Project Insight. Today, I'm going to be giving an introduction to the task list. For more detailed information on the task list, you can refer to our existing documentation and videos on the subject. To begin from an empty task list, click the editing bar underneath the name column, insert a name for your task, and either click the save icon in the far right column or hit enter. In order to edit an existing task, simply mouse over anywhere in that tasks row and click on the column you'd like to edit. If you click the icon to the left of the task's name, it will become a summary task. Saving a summary task will put the task in the editing bar as a child of that summary task. In order to go back to making sibling tasks rather than summary task, you simply click the small arrow to the left of your summary task's name and create your new task. If you're editing or creating a task and would like to cancel your edit or creation, you'll click the cancel icon to the right of the save icon on the far right column. If you forget to create a task and would like to insert a new one in the middle, create a new task and drag it to the task on which you would like to put it under. You'll then get a pop-up asking if you want to make that task a child or the sibling of the task that you're dragging it to. If you add it as a child, the task that you're dragging it to will become a summary task. However, if you add it as a sibling, it will come after that task on the task list. This also allows you to move existing tasks. As with all pages in Project Insight, you can click this filter option and click more filters and go down to column selection options to choose what columns are shown on the task list. For more information on this filters and settings page, you can reference our existing videos and documentation on the subject. And that's all you need to know for basic usage of the task list in Project Insight. For more detailed information on the task list, such as adding predecessors, setting duration and work hours, as well as priority, work status, and resources, you can reference our existing videos and documentation on the subject.